How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. My name is Vincent of PressVinelTV.com. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. Today I want to talk to you about WISE.com. WISE will help you to operate and open up a multi-currency account. Talk to you about the services they provide, things you can benefit, or the service they provide. Basically, they help you to have a personal bank account or business account. Okay, they help you to transfer money abroad. So basically, the service they provide is money transaction. Okay, multi-currency account. Explore the account used by 16 million people who live, travel, and work or transfer money worldwide. So they will provide this card for you to be able to do transaction. Okay, so money for here and there and everywhere. 160 countries. Get account built to save you money around the world. Open up account today and see. If you select open, then you put your email address, okay, your first name, your email address, then you sign up. So something I want to talk to you about, just to tell you about information about WISE. You can also do money transfer. So use money, save money, and get WISE. So you save up to 6 times compared to UK High Street Bank when you send, spend, and withdraw 40 plus currency all in one account. So you can open up the account here, save on your fee when sending money abroad. So I've used WISE to send money abroad. So basically the way it works is you need to put the currency, like the currency here in UK, then you select euro or US dollar, then you select, and it will tell you the fee and the conversion. You can see low cost fee. It will tell you the fee and also the conversion rate. You can also compare the price. So this is actually what WISE offers. So they provide you a card as well. The card that always got the right currency. Save as you spend and withdraw over 40 currency at live rate automatically. So market leading rate with WISE interest. So the dream is for people to live, work anywhere seamlessly. That means money without borders. Move money freely, transparently, conveniently, and eventually for free. I also want to mention that I am an affiliate with WISE. Affiliate marketing is when you are promoting someone else's business. I like to promote businesses that I have used before, so I have used WISE to transfer money abroad. So just telling you, in terms of the affiliate, you can sign up using my link to join WISE. So they have a dedicated fraud and security team to work and to keep your money safe. But this is just for you to make informed choice. The information I want to do here is to share information about WISE. Okay, WISE work nearly everywhere. You can see they have pounds, euro, US dollar, Australia dollar, New Zealand dollar, Singapore dollar, Romanian lei, Canadian dollar, Hungary franc, and Turkish lira. The WISE story. WISE was launched in 2011 with a vision of making international money transfer cheap, fair, and simple. Today, our multi-currency accounts help millions of people and businesses manage their money across the world. If you are looking for multi-currency account that you can use to transfer money or transact business everywhere, this is something that you need to consider. A better way to move money across the borders. Each month they lock up the real exchange rate. Our name may have changed, but the heart of what we do is always the same: helping people manage their money internationally more cheaply, quickly, and transparently. So their main service they provide, can see manage your money, WISE card, money transfer, large money transfer, and interest rates. You can see manage your money here. So you can manage all your currency across the globe. To pay international bill, receiving money abroad, you can do it all with WISE. So you can open an account with WISE to hold and convert over 40 currencies. These are the services they provide. You get paid from abroad in 9 currencies. You can also check available details. Organize your money how you like it to do, or how you like your money to work with you. Do more with WISE. So you get your money working for you. Send money abroad at a real rate. Spend like a local with WISE card. So this is the service they provide. So you can send money. I have used WISE to send money US. I have used WISE to send money abroad. But also I want to talk to you about affiliate marketing. So I'm an affiliate with wise.com. You can also sign up. If you have used WISE, you can also sign up. If the business they resonate with you, if what they are doing, affiliate marketing is really is about you promoting a third-party business that I have used before and I know that works. So I've used WISE to do some transactions, sending money to US, likewise sending money abroad. They have the most international debit card in the world. The most international debit card. Spend abroad with real exchange rate, no markups, no sneaky transaction fee. Can take out up to £200 in cash a month for free. The WISE card take the worry out of ATM abroad. You pay only super low fee on withdrawal after first £200 free, but anything above that then you pay. Okay, you can also learn about our card pricing here. So you select all this information. You can see they will tell you from the spend anywhere with low conversion. So in terms of transferring money to US or anywhere, then you need to put the currency here. Then it will tell you the conversion rate. Okay, you can see getting your WISE card, ordering your card, no subscription fee, express delivery from £12. Digital card is free. Replacing your card, you pay 2.5 GB. Replacing an expired card is free. Account funding transaction is 2%. So these are the things you need to be aware of. Okay, so just read the information, but I'm telling you about information that I use WISE in terms of money transaction and sending money abroad. Top tip for using your WISE card: check you are paying in the local currency. Stay up to date with the notification. Save money by withdrawing larger amount of money instead of withdrawing local. But this is something that you need to be aware. You can see the fee here. Less than 200 GB per month, you can see it's free. More than 200 GB is okay. So you pay 1.75 interest of the amount over £200. More or 3 withdrawals, 0.5 per withdrawal, or 0.5 GB plus 1.75 of the amount over 200 GB. Okay, so you can take your business to new places. Sign up fast, easy international business account that save you money everywhere you want to use it. So you can see create account or contact sales if it's something that you want to do. But I just want to share this information for you to be aware of. Okay, account that help you get paid faster. Set up your local account details for your business in any of the 9 currencies. Then let overseas customer use them to pay you from wherever they are at the same speed as someone who is just across the town. 40 plus currencies, 170 plus countries, all in one card. You use two-factor authentication to protect you. It's pretty much a lot of banks use two-factor authentication. Okay, some of them use a different method in terms of making sure that you are who you say you are, and just make sure that bank account is protected. Now I want to talk to you about join the affiliate. Okay, so to sign up with the affiliate, what you need to do is, like I said earlier, you can become an affiliate or partner with WISE. If what WISE is doing resonates with you, if you have used WISE before, like I said earlier, I like to promote businesses and services that I've used before. So I've used WISE to do some transaction in terms of sending money to US or paying for goods and service abroad. So you can select WISE affiliate here. If you are doing this, okay, if you sign up using my link, I will receive some payment from it. Okay, let's get down to business. Would you like to become an affiliate? Learn more about our solution for bank or our businesses. Affiliate, you can see learn more about WISE for bank or become an affiliate. Build successful campaign with our asset. So basically, if you have used WISE before, like I said earlier, if what they do resonate with you, if you have used the service and you find the service good, you can recommend it to your friends, family, relative. This is what affiliate marketing is. Okay, once you recommend it, if someone make a purchase or sign up using your link, then they will pay you. So WISE will give you a tracking code or tracking links, okay, that we use. You can put this, you can write article about WISE in your website or blog. You can make a YouTube video, talk to people how you find the service. It could be good or bad, either way, but you are sharing information, making the job is for you to create awareness about WISE. Like I'm speaking to you now, you can see the essence of it. To tell people about the businesses, what they offer people, transfer money abroad, open up WISE account, a card, or WISE businesses. These are the things they do. So for you to join in, you just need to become a partner to them. Then the things you need to do is sign up. You put your name, your last name, create password, and confirm your password, your telephone number, your address, your postcode, your country. They also need your website URL. So you need to ideally need to have an online presence, for you to be able to write article about WISE or do things. They need your website URL and description what you do. How do you hear about our program? Then you select how do you heard about the program, like wise.com or somebody, or blog posts by WISE. So these are the things. Or if someone, so you need to select. Then the next thing to do is you need to put email address, create your username, your company. Company name is optional. If you are UK VAT registered, then you select. You scroll down to select yes or no. Then the next thing is, are you a WISE customer? Then you scroll down to select yes or no. Have you used the invite a friend program before? Then you select yes or no. Which currency would you like? Pound, US dollar, euro, Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Then you select I'm a human, then submit the application. Once they do their own check and get back to you, if they're happy in terms of information, like they will do the necessary check, make sure that you have online presence, and once they accept you, then you are good to go. You can log into the account and start promoting WISE. Basically, what you need to do, once you sign in, then you go to patronize, and sign up, and log in, copy the link, to be able to start sharing the link. They have a customer service that will get in touch with you. People who deal with the WISE affiliate, they will get in touch with you. They will give you several materials you can use in terms of promotion. You can also tweet it. You can also send this through Facebook or through your email or landing page. If you are doing this for the first time, please let me know. Sign up using my link. If you also have any question or how to generate the link or the code, let us know. We are happy to help you. I'm not a financial service provider, but I'm just telling you this is just take this as an information. But myself, I have used these services and I'm happy with it. Thank you very much indeed. Please like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you and stay blessed. Thank you.